and you're you're welcome. You're welcome. So invite a friend. We are about to get started in a few minutes from now. So I'm seeing people here joining us. I see Sunny King. Thank you for joining. Uh, I see which other person. So I'm seeing people here who are joining our live stream. So as we wait for people to join, uh, I would like you to write any comment, any question if you have any. If you have any question, write it during this time as we are waiting for more people to join us. So you're welcome to my live stream. This is the Tikita TV live show. I'm broadcasting from East Africa. Okay. Yeah, I welcome you viewers to our live stream. Okay. Yeah, thank you for joining. And yeah, we are going to be uh, talking on a number of issues tonight. So I see here we have Rafael Jordan. Thank you for joining. Nakato Angela. Yeah, you are new. Thank you for joining, Nakato Angela. Thank you for connecting with us. Uh, Thank you for being here with us. Which other person here? Let me see. I see ID from Ghana. You didn't put your name there, just see ID from Ghana. Thank you for connecting. Iruba Joel from Kampala, Uganda. Paul Marina from Jinja. Rick from Kampala. Samir Pujik from Herzegovina, I don't know, Bosnia. Thank you. How is Bosnia? Thank you for joining, my people. Yeah, thank you for joining, and we are happy to have you on the show. Now, I have good news for all of you. Yeah, all of you. I have good news for the students. I have good news for the parents. I have good news for people that don't have any single cent on you. And I have good news for the billionaires too. So I have almost good news for everybody. Okay. Yeah, there are so many innovations that have been completed from CashChat Limited. Yeah, CashChat Limited for the last 5 years have embarked, they have gone silent and they are seriously creating multiple innovations aimed at driving you out of poverty by force. There is a spot for everybody. So among the innovations right now from CashChat Limited, first we have the digital wallet, which is the CashChat Bank. Now the CashChat Bank is the foundation of all innovations. Why? It is the CashChat Bank which connects with the CashChat AI, connects with the e-learning platform, connects with the CashChat social media platform, connects with the digital advertising network, connects with the business pages, connects with all the other innovations, even the share exchange platform. So the digital wallet, the CashChat Bank, is a foundation of all innovations in this community. So every member of this community has a CashChat wallet ID. Why? Because that's where your commissions are going to be paid. That's where you're going to go if you want maybe to buy prime packages for the CashChat AI. If this is where you're going to go if you qualify to own part of the CashChat company, you're going to go to your wallet. So it's where you're going to go if you are maybe using the agents platform, like if you're a CashChat wallet agent, it's the CashChat Bank which you're going to use. If you're a content creator and you've created content, okay, and your content is saturating everywhere on the CashChat social media app, you are earning money from your status post. Maybe you're posting videos to your status and you're receiving viewers. Okay, those views that you're going to receive on your status and the ads share revenue, which is going to accumulate, is going to end up in your CashChat Bank wallet. That's why it is the door to this huge tech community. So right now, we are actually celebrating over 1 million members, all natural, zero advertising. We have never advertised, and we have now over 1 million members in our community. That is the number of wallets that are available. And you know what it is. Every wallet is not just a mere account opened, because to open a CashChat wallet, you have to pay a subscription for it. So many of you, you have activated your account with a one-time $20 subscription fee, and now you can access all the features of the CashChat wallet. Now, among the features of the CashChat wallet, we have the ability to send wallet-to-wallet transactions. Like if you own a CashChat wallet and another person owns a CashChat wallet, even if that person is on another continent, you have that ability of sending wallet to wallet. Now, if it is in dollars, currently it is at zero revenue. You don't pay any fee if you're sending dollars to anybody on the CashChat system. As for now, it is still free. So now you're going to enjoy that privilege of sending money to another CashChat user without any fee if the payment is in dollars. Now, if it is in UGX, you only pay a 500 UGX amount, which is very tiny. In fact, it's like 0.3 USD, very minimal. So that's the only amount they're going to charge you if you're transferring UGX. Another opportunity that you are going to have if your account has been verified is the ability to send money to any M-Pesa number, any MTN number, or any bank account in Kenya. With your active account, you can have that ability also. The other part is you can participate in the CashChat investment platform, whereby you lock part of your money on the system for 12 years. 12 months. So after the 12 months, all the transactions, everything that's going to be happening on the system, you have a share of 15% from that money. Before CashChat introduced that feature, CashChat used to take borrow money from some investors, okay, like some huge amount of money. So they borrow money and they would negotiate like a 20% interest. Like they get money and then the investor gets a 20% interest. So they decided in 2023, they said, no, we can get this float money from our members. Instead of giving some rich guy somewhere 20% as interest, we can give 15% to our members who decide to dedicate part of their money on the platform, to manage cash flow on the platform. So if you are a part of those people who have deposited money on that platform, it means your account is active. So you qualify to benefit from that, like you lend the company part of your money. So your money remains on the system just to regulate cash flow on the system. And then at the end of every 12 years, you receive 15% as your interest. So the company saves the 5% because they used to facilitate that by getting big investors, and they will take 20%. So you are only going to take 15%, and the company will have saved 5% interest. So if your account is active, anytime you want, you just go, you click on the wallet, and then you type, and then you select number one, which is my wallet. You don't go to investment, you go to my wallet, because that saving is in the section of my wallet. So you type one, you click send, and they're going to give you a menu. Now, the last option on the menu is option 10. So you just type 10 and you click send. They are going to ask you which currency you want to save. If you want to save the UGX, you just type 1. If you want to save the Kenyan shilling, then you are simply going to type 2. And if you want to save the USD, you are going to type 3. And when you click send, they are going to ask you to input the amount that you want to save. Once you put the amount you want to save and click send, it is going to be saved automatically. And your saving is going to be registered on your bank statement. So if you go and click on my transaction, you are going to see the time when your saving has been accepted. Now, exactly 12 months at that exact moment when you made your saving, that saving is going to be restored on your available balance with a 15% interest. So that is another opportunity for you if your account is active. Now, the other opportunity, if your account is active today, that one I'm speaking as of now and maybe a few days from now. Why? Because the spots are filling up very fast. There is a section on your account. It is called, if you go to my account, I don't know, maybe I should try to share. Let me try to share that screen and see. Let me try to share that screen and maybe I can try to illustrate to you what I mean. Okay, let me try to log into my account, and then I demonstrate. So I put in my name and then I put in my password. Done. Now after putting in my password, I log in. Okay, so now this is my account. Okay, so wait a minute, let me try to fix my account and I'm going to share it for you here. I'm going to share it for you to see. Okay, wait, I'm trying to bring it to fit it on the screen so that all of you can follow. Yeah, thank you for joining. I see many people joining here. I see somebody from Masaka joining in from Kampala. Binti Wakeni, thank you for joining. I see somebody joining us from Kuwait. And then Fresh Minute is joining us from Karisizo. Thank you for joining. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to demonstrate to you here. I think I can make it halfway on the screen. Okay. Yeah, I think this will be enough for you to follow, isn't it? Yes, this will be enough for you to follow. So this is your wallet. You see, this is your wallet. Let me try to minimize my screen a little bit. So this is your wallet. Okay. Now, on your wallet, you can see you have this section which is called My Account. Wait a minute. Okay. Wait a minute. So we are going to start with if you have opened your account, of course, the process which is free, and you've logged in after signing up. Okay. When you get into your account, you are going to see these features. So for you, your account here between my account and Depost, you are going to see a button which says pay subscription. So you are going to click on that button and then they will show you what you're supposed to do. If you are from countries outside Kenya and Uganda, for you, you're simply going to see an option for you to pay either using PayPal or using Google Pay, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, or any other available online payment system in your location. So you're going to use it to pay your subscription. But if you're from Uganda, it's going to be different. Okay? It's going to be different. Yeah. So for you, when you click here, you're going to see this option where they say type start to continue. Okay. You're going to see here where they say type start to continue. So you type start and you click send, and they are going to give you these two options. These are the ones which I said. For example, I said if your account is active, you can save your money on the platform and earn a 15% interest every 12 years. Now, when you get here, don't go to stock investment. That section of stock investment is totally different. For you, go to number one, my wallet. So type here number one and click send, and they are going to give you this menu. So on this menu, number 10 says invest in cash chat. So that's where you go because you want to lend cash chat your money. You just type 10 and you click send, and you're going to select what currency you want to invest. If you want to invest UGX, you just type 1 here. So you type 1 here and you click send, and they're going to ask you to enter the amount. Now, assuming I want to invest 50,000, so I put 50,000. Okay, you don't put any comma, you just write it the way it is, like this, and you click send. And immediately they said investing successfully in cash chat with an amount of 50,000 UGX. Now, after investing, you are going to go back. And when you go back, go and click on my transaction. Okay. When you click on my transaction, they are going to show you that you've made an investment. Now, for example, here, they are showing you that I have made an investment of 50,000 Ugandan shillings in Cash Chat Limited at 52 minutes past midnight. Okay. So it is midnight and I'm investing. Now, when I go here to check on my savings, this is where they show you the detail. They say that your interest is up to 15% per year. Okay. And they say that is 12 months. So they say payment after the financial year, i.e., for 12 months. Now, when we go down here, this is where all my investment that I've made is stored. You can see that I started investing in April of 2024, and I invested my 100,000. The next day, I invested another 100,000, and then in May, I invested also 50. In May, I invested also 50. In July 2024, I also invested $20. Here, I invested 20,000, 2,000 Kenyan shillings. And then today you can see it is the 12th of September 2025. I've invested 50,000. So all your investment plus the time, it is registered here. This is where you find all your what? Your records. Okay. Now that is the section if you want to save money on the platform. They call it investing in cash chat. That's what you do if you're investing in what? In cash chat. Okay. Now, the next thing we are going to talk about is the other opportunity if your account is active. Okay. Now, what other opportunity do you have if you have an active account? If your account is active, the other opportunity that you have as of today, as maybe of this week, it is that today, if your account is active, just like you see my account here, if your account has this button which says active, there is an electronic contract which is available in this section here, my account. So you go to my account and you click on my account, and the last option in this section, it says add agent. Now, if you click on add agent, okay, if you click on add agent, they are going to show you that verify contract. Now, this contract is going to be issued to a maximum of 200,000 interested active users of CashChat. Any 2,000 interested users, those who want to join the team. But this is the condition. They say that in order for you to qualify to become a CashChat agent, the truth is, for you, you don't need even to spend any money. Do you know why? Because you are required to get 2 active direct referrals only. For you, you don't even need to pay any money. Okay? All you need is to get 2 active direct referrals. You see this section here, which says direct referrals. You must acquire 2 active direct referral. Each direct referral you acquire, they are either going to give you $12 if that person is coming from any country outside Uganda and Kenya. And if the person is coming from Kenya, they are going to give you 1,000 Kenyan shillings for each active direct referral that you acquire. If the person is from Uganda, they are going to pay you 50,000 UGX for every active person you acquire from Uganda. Now, here is the good news. When you refer 2 people, you are going to receive a total of 100,000 UGX if the person that you referred is from Uganda. And that money that you are going to receive is sufficient enough for you to activate your account and even retain enough remaining balance in your account. Now, after your account is active, it means you're going to have 2 active direct referrals. Here you can see I have, these ones are not active. So these people have to be active. And once these people are active, you can go back. Okay, sorry. Wait, I think it is moving slow. So you can go back to where we were. You remember where we were? Here. And you tap on Add Agent. And when you tap on Add Agent, you are going to go at the bottom here. Okay, my request is approved because me, I got 29. I have more than 29 active direct referrals. So for me, you can see, okay, I have more than 29 active direct referrals. So when the time when they activated me, at that time I had 29 active direct referrals. So I submitted them and then I was approved. So for you, because you have not submitted anything, you will need to enter your location here. I did this, you see, I was in this place when I applied. So for you, put in your current location, okay? And then provide, you can say I have 2 active direct referrals, that's it. And then they're going to ask you to submit your location details and a photo of yourself while holding your ID. So this photo, you are going to take it while holding your ID and you are going to upload it to the system. So once they receive that application is going to be approved, like they approved mine, and you're going to be added to the 200,000 elite members of the CashChat community. These are the people who are going to be managing the ads department, which is this. This is the ads department. So the people who are going to be managing this platform are those people that have been approved. As you can see right now, 127,045 people have already applied. So it means there are only less than 73,000 spots available. So guys, take this opportunity while it's still available. If your account is active, you qualify to do this. So go and do this, submit your e-contract, and don't wait for this opportunity to dash away before you wake up. Wake up now and go and utilize that. That is another opportunity if your account is active, like my account. So, guys, thank you for listening. I think for now, we can go with that.